Welcome to our channel. If you need to reset your Truist user ID because you've forgotten it, or for security purposes, follow these steps to regain account access. Step 1. Navigate to truist.com and click the Sign In button. On the login page, look for the Forgot User ID or Password link below the login fields. Step 2. Click Forgot User ID to start the recovery process. Truist will verify your identity before allowing you to reset your user ID. Step 3. Enter your Truist account number from your bank statement, debit card, or checkbook. Also provide your Social Security number or tax ID for verification. Step 4. Provide your date of birth and zip code associated with your Truist account. This information helps Truist confirm you're the authorized account holder. Step 5. Truist will ask security questions based on your account history and personal information. Answer these verification questions accurately to continue with the recovery. Step 6. Once your identity is confirmed, Truist will display your user ID on the screen or send it to your registered email address. Make a note of this ID securely. Step 7. If you want to create a new user ID, select the option to reset it. Choose a new ID that's easy to remember but secure for your Truist online banking. Step 8. Truist may send a verification code to your registered phone number or email. Enter this code to complete the user ID reset process. After resetting, consider also updating your password and enabling two-factor authentication for enhanced account security. You can now log in with your recovered or new user ID to access Truist online banking services. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.